How to remove favorite spotlight on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you remove favorite spotlight on Snapchat. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Snapchat with your account. After you open Snapchat, you will get this kind of interface. From your at the top left, tap on your profile icon. From your profile section, you'll have to scroll down and find out the sections like Spotlight, Favorite and Repost. Simply from your tap on View All. And from this section, you'll be able to find your every favorite and repost spotlight on Snapchat. Simply from here, if you want to remove any favorite spotlight, you'll have to open that. After you open your favorite spotlight, you'll be able to see this kind of interface. From here, if you want to remove that, simply you'll have to just unlike that video by tapping on the heart icon at the right hand side. Simply tap on that heart icon. Alright, as you can see, after you tap on that heart icon, you'll be able to remove that favorite spotlight from your Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.